Yeah, a word about cell phones. First of all, I want to let you know that I got the price for each one of these plans by talking to a salesperson in person in the stores, over the telephone with a salesperson, or on the internet in one of those chat windows. So I asked specifically for the package that would include unlimited talk, unlimited text, and 3, 4, or 5 gigabytes of data, and that's for individual and family plans. So the information not coming from a marketing department, but coming from actual salespeople, the prices that you're going to hear when you contact those companies yourself. One word about how to maybe save some money on those. You know, unlimited talk for nearly all of these plans is $30, $40. You might be able to shave off some of the expense for that bill by looking at the number and the amount of talk minutes that you have. Your kids may not need unlimited talk minutes because they're probably communicating with their friends on Facebook or texting. And if that's the case, you may be able to knock off $30 by saying, I don't need unlimited, we can go to 500 minutes a month. Because those 500 minutes most often, will include free nights and weekends, and it will also include free cell phone to cell phone calls. And many of the phone calls, 95% of the phone calls I make aren't to landline phones, they're to other cell phones. So those are free calls. So take a look at how many minutes you use, how many minutes your kids use using talk, and maybe cut that down and increasing to an unlimited plan for texting so you don't have any overages there. So let me know what you think. Tell me which plan works for you. Tell me how you've managed to find some ways to save some money, because right now we're spending more for cell phones. For a family of 4, spending more money for cell phones every month than a car payment. Now the second biggest expense for a family after a house payment. $400 a month, easy. That's more money than a lot of people have to spend on food. And it's ridiculous. Any way we can save money with a cell phone bill, we ought to be looking for it. So take a look at those prices that I've given you as a jumping off point, then talk to a sales representative and try to do some comparison. Let them know what the deals are at the other companies. You may be able to save a little bit of money there. They're all going to say this information is wrong, but it is the information I got from salespeople. And you can also, all of these companies say, well, that may be true, but we offer this plan, we offer this plan, we offer these benefits, you can do this. And so some of these plans may fit better for you and your family than some of the other ones. But shop around, use these as a jumping off point, and let me know what you think, how you've been able to find a way to save money on your cell phone bills. That's all for today. Bye.